My Hello everyone, my name is Lucia. Today's story is My Day in the Rainforest. I'm walking in the rainforest. I wonder what I'll find. Oh no, it's a tiger and a bear. I'm going to hide. I hide behind this tree. Hero cannot see me. Shoot. Oh no, it's a snake in a monkey. This place is not safe from me. I'm running in a rainforest. To my treehouse I go. This place is safe from me. Phew. Cuckoo Kaka, you forgot your hat and shoes. Ho 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 ho. Words. Rainforest. Walking. Wander. High. Going to high. Here. Place. Safe. Running. Treehouse. The end.